friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Woocommerce plugin in your WordPress website. It is super easy. As you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard right now, and here in the left side toolbar we have an option of plugin, right? We just need to move our cursor to the plugin and then add plugin, because we are installing a new plugin, right? Here you can search Woocommerce right in the search plugin area, and as you can see, the plugin is getting displayed over here. We can simply install now. So I have clicked on install now, and it's installing as of now, and it will take few seconds and will get installed in our WordPress website. Then we will activate it. Okay, it has been installed. Now we will click on activate to activate this plugin. So this is how you can simply install a Woocommerce plugin for creating your website and e-commerce platform, so that you can sell your products or services from your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.